Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Iraj and this is my second video, week 3 for my learning in public journey, and I decided that I'm gonna learn data science. I know I made my first video on software engineering, so it let me go on like a spiral and kind of let me make up my mind about what I want to do. And since I have a lot of time till I actually don't have a lot of time till graduation, but I plan on doing my master's and hopefully get PhD in this era of AI. So I thought might as well, learn data science because I could learn other stuff like back end engineering, front end, and all that kind of stuff. But um, you know, since I have a lot of time, ideally, learning data science and AI and everything in the AI bracket would be so much more beneficial for me. This is what I feel like. Um, yeah, and also the pay is good, you know. So yeah, let's get started. Um, so yeah, So why is data and why is traditional databases not enough? To understand data science, we need to imagine this. A database is like a cup and data is like water. A small cup, like spreadsheet or traditional databases, can only hold so much water. But today, data is flowing in huge volumes from sources like apps, sensors, social media, and businesses. Why traditional data systems like spreadsheets or a single SQL server is not enough anymore? So like this is why. And that's where big data comes in. So I've explained this. And yeah, traditional computing versus big data processing. Traditionally, we would bring all the data to one computer, process it sequentially. With big data, the idea changes. Data is split into parts. Each part is processed on multiple computers. Results are combined at the end. This is done using MapReduce. So map, split in process data, reduce, which is combined data. Next is Apache Hadoop ecosystem. Simple explanation, which is Apache Hadoop is a framework designed to process large datasets efficiently. Key components: HDFS, Hadoop distributed file system, stores data across multiple machines, provides fault tolerance and reliability. MapReduce handles distributed data processing. Hive, SQL-like language for big data, good for analysis but not real time. Um, so Also, what I want to go on over is big data versus real-time processing. Traditionally, big data tools like Hadoop are powerful but slow for real-time tasks. Modern systems use in-memory processing, faster frameworks like Spark, real-time analytics, pipelines. So generative AI is basically a subset of AI that creates uh, new data. Instead of analyzing existing data, it generates outputs that follow patterns from existing data such as text, images, music, and code. How Gen AI works is that Gen AI models are trained using techniques like generative adversarial networks and variational autoencoders. These models are um, these models learn patterns from existing data, generate new realistic data based on these patterns. Synthetic data is artificially generated data that has similar properties to real data. Now it is useful because it helps when real data is limited, preserves piracy, improves model training, fills gaps in datasets. It allows us to train better models, uncover deeper insights, and automate decision making and overcome data limitations. Now some applications are, hold on a second. Oh, okay. Yeah, applications are of AI in data science. like in almost every field, like NLP, healthcare, business, environment, you name it. Um, and what is big data? Basically, the formal definition is that it refers to data sets characterized by volume, which is like massive size, velocity, fast generation, variety, multiple formats. These exceeds the capacity of traditional databases and analytics tool. Hold on a second. Yeah. Um, some data collection and management stuff, which is organizations collect data from business records, customer behavior, cost and revenue sources. Good data management includes archiving, preserving data, and ensuring accessibility. Roles of teams in data science, it is that they have to be dynamic, curious teams and ask good questions with clear problems definitions. So some real world examples are ride sharing apps, driver availability, distance and price optimization, traffic management, reduce congestion, improve routing, environmental monitoring, water quality, public health protection, and recommendation system. So finally, people generate data through behavior and preferences, and companies use these models and improve decision making, deliver personal experiences, and this is why data science, big data, and Gen AI are so powerful, and why I'm learning from them. So thanks for watching. Yeah, if you guys have any suggestions on what I can learn, some resources and whatnot, let me know. And this video is like solely just for me, like if you find any benefit from it, that it's good. But you could be like, why are these like slides black and white? I wanted it to be clean and simple. Actually, I generated it from ChatGPT, and I kind of like, said to ChatGPT whatever I wanted to say, and asked it to generate me a PowerPoint presentation. Long term, I'm not trying to be a YouTuber right now, but I'm just, trying to share what I know, and hopefully you guys benefit from it, like in one way or the other. Just by listening to it, just find some interest, and yeah, let me know. Like, I have like a book called Hands-on Machine Learning, but I haven't opened it. Like, I haven't started learning from it, and the reason being that um, I'm gonna learn about ML from school anyways, right? So what's the point of like reading a book right now? And sure, I could get on to building projects, which is basically like proof of me learn of whatever I've learned, but it's not really high signaling. See what I'm saying? So I want my signaling to be like really high, like, so that um, professors or you know opportunities, like internships, like companies find it useful. So yeah, thanks for watching and see ya next week, I guess.